Hello guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing a toy, and the toy is a gun of a shark. So let's open up the basics. First, bam. Right, so we ammo up and then okay, so we get out the ammo. So here's the ammo. We have a lot of ammo, and here's our targets. Here's the targets. Oh no! So out this piece. And so the targets are right here. We're putting everything right here for that soon. And here's the will organize. So the gun actually has these. So I should be able just to turn, twist. And then shortly after, it should pop out. Then you can pop out the first bit of the gun here. Pops. Now the second bit, which is gonna be much easier, because now that piece of the gun is fully down. Yeah, now we're spin. It's coming out. It's gonna come out right now. It's gonna fall. And while I make the box and put everything, how about you guys like and subscribe? Yeah, like and subscribe. Let's make this channel go to 20 million subscribers. Okay? Let's try and make it. So yeah, we're gonna load up the ammo in the gun, and basically this shark fin should tell us where to aim, because I have horrible aim. So if it's bad aim, sorry, but it's not my fault. I have bad aim. So yeah, now let's get out our first bit of ammo. Let's get off the scotch tape. Now perfect. Now we take out the first ammo. Uno. Yeah. Alright, so now we put it. You should not put in the orange bit, because it can get jammed and then you will lose this toy forever. So, dos, two, tres, three, cuatro, four. Alright, I'm gonna stop with the Spanish. 4, 5, 6. Yep, so there's 6. So now I'm gonna make the targets. Alright, so I'm gonna put the trash here. Alright guys, now we unboxed it. Now let's test it. Right, so I need to hit those cans right there. Right, so steady, ready, go. Bam! 2 down, 1 more left. Wait, I need to angle it correctly. Sorry. Need to angle it correctly so that I can show it. Alright, so now let's hit the trigger. Now shoot. Nope. Totally missed. We have 4 more tries. If I don't... Oh, that was a close one. Right, and 3 more tries until I lose. That was so close. Alright guys, so I unboxed it, but there's one thing. I could have done it outside. I know you want me to do it outside, because these ammos are light. They're hollow inside, alright? There's just this that blocking the airway, but if wind catches this, I would lose it forever. So if I want to do it, at least just keep it here safe and sound. That's why I did it in the studio. Now let's aim. Alright, so we're aiming for those. Camera, turn there. Alright, so now let's shoot. And wish me good luck. 1 down, 2 more to go. Feel like now let's steady, ready, go. Miss. Alright, so steady, ready. I need to crouch a bit, go. Nah. Sorry guys, because I'm doing it low. That's why I did not miss. Sorry guys. Does that count, guys? Comment down below. Like and subscribe. Please, because this is hard. You don't want to know how hard it is. Studios. Everything we do. And that was a total fail. So I'm gonna get back the ammo so that I can retry because me dumb. So this gun is very nice and it's portable. I recommend it for better aim, but one problem. I did not do it outside because the wind, you heard, but if the wind like put it to someone in its eye, he would get damaged and then get blind in one eye, the left or right, or badly, even both, because you're trying to do the both and then he got blind fully. So that's why I did not do it outside. It's good for children. I recommend it. But now, thank you for Sims Darati. Thank you for Daddy. Thank you for Rachman and Zakaria. Okay, now peace, like and subscribe today's video. And the next video is gonna be even better. But if this video hits 20,000 likes, I might do a live stream. You never know.